In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use conditional logic in Tally. So, first open Tally.so and log into your account. From there, either create a new form or open an existing one that you want to edit. Before setting up any logic, make sure you've already added the questions that will act as triggers. These are the answers that determine what a respondent sees next. Next, build out your form fields. Add all the questions you want people to answer, then decide which of those questions should only appear in certain situations. For example, you might ask, what is your employment status? With options like employed, self-employed, or student. Then you might have another question like, what is your company name? In this case, that second question would only be relevant for some respondents, not all of them. To prepare that field for conditional logic, select the question you want to show only when needed. Open its field settings and choose to hide it. This keeps the field invisible by default, so it only appears after the right condition is met. Now you're ready to add the logic itself. Click below the question that will trigger the condition, type /logic, and select conditional logic. If you prefer shortcuts, you can also use Control, Shift, and L on Windows, or Command, Shift, and L on Mac. This opens the logic builder, where you can define exactly when hidden fields should appear. Set up your first condition by creating a simple rule. For example, if employment status equals employed, then show company name. This tells Tally to reveal that hidden question only when that specific answer is selected. You can also create more advanced conditions. For example, if employment status equals self-employed, then show business name and years in business. This is useful when different types of respondents need to see different follow-up questions. If your form has multiple pages, you can also use conditional logic to control page navigation. That means you can skip irrelevant pages, send users to different sections, or create a more personalized path through the form. This works especially well for applications, assessments, and onboarding flows. Tally also lets you create more precise rules using conditions like equals, does not equal, contains, is empty, and is not empty. These options give you more control when your form needs to handle multiple answer types or more detailed workflows. Once everything is set up, click Preview and test the form thoroughly. Try different answer combinations and confirm that the correct fields appear, hidden fields stay hidden when they should, and page navigation works properly. When you're happy with the results, click Publish. Then you can share the form link or embed the form on your website.